there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a unicorn fish. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a unicorn fish. Here's its tummy. Now let's draw its horn. Now I'm drawing its wings. Here should be another line. Let's draw its body pattern. Okay, now I'm drawing its tail. Let's draw another wing. I'm drawing its eye. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my violet pen. Now I'm using my blue pen. Here's my cyan pen. Now I'm using my green pen. I'm using my yellow pen. Now I'm using my orange pen. Okay. Now for the fish, I'm using my sky blue pen. I'm using my pink pen. For the rest, I'm using my cyan pen. I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my pink highlighter pen. I'm using my cyan highlighter pen. My drawing is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.